as in Iquitos or the jungle as in the jungle?
The jungle that surrounds Iquitos.
Like the music?
We are going to go in Momon River.
Okay.
In Momon River, normally we are going to enter upstream. We're going to sail maybe 2 hours like that.
Really?
Into the jungle. After we are going to go enter in a stream to find in a land close. Yeah, that is the real jungle.
Okay.
We are going to make a little shelter, like a campament over there. Yeah, but close to the boat.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
It's good, but we can to explore that jungle. How about Grant?
How about, oh, he's ready for this.
Yes.
This is his thing.
All right. See you later.
I love you. Have fun.
Make a video, you are entering the boat. The noise of the jungle. That people are making with ceramic inside. It will put that, and the water tends to pass in the ceramic.
Oh, okay.
It's like glass.
Glad. Okay.
Exactly.
And this is, you can use it for a cure to diarrhea.
Exactly. Look, this is the milk of the jungle.
Milk of the jungle. Okay.
A spaghetti of the jungle. Here. This palm tree. Here in the jungle, we can find everything.
So this is spaghetti off the tree. So. So do you boil it or just eat it like this?
Yeah.
You
Eat it.
Eat it just like this.
Eat all. Or eat all. Spaghetti because it has the form to a spaghetti.
Yeah.
Look, give me more. Give you more. Bellissimo. If we need more, we have a lot here. For you. We are going to go in deep in the jungle, maybe 40 minutes. Maybe we are going to try to see something like a bird, like a monkeys, but only depend on the lucky.
Okay.
Okay? Potatoes of the jungle. Normally, if you want to cook it, you need to make it like this.
That's potato. Yeah. Good.
They're coming back. We have long trip in the jungle, going to far away, going different size, different areas, and to get more fruits, wild fruits. Good. We can do survival eating that fruit in the jungle.
Okay, thank you so much for bringing him
See you.
safely,
See you.
safely home.
Thank you.
All right. Muchas gracias.
That's good.
How did you sleep?
Oh, I slept fine.
Really? You didn't wake up in the rain?
Oh, well, yeah, I woke up, but it stayed dry.
Really?
Yeah?
Even in the downpours? Because it was raining really hard.
Yeah.